Deus Ex Remastered was just about to make it out of the gate. Then something happened that left fans furious. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Aspyr, the studio tasked with revamping the 2000 cult classic, has delayed the release indefinitely and is now handing out refunds for pre-orders after its visuals face backlash. Early screenshots and trailers revealed a remaster that looks more like mid-2000s Xbox fodder than a sleek 2026-ready upgrade, leaving longtime players scratching their heads. For hardcore fans, this isn't just disappointment, it's a punch in their guts. Deus Ex isn't about shiny graphics, it's a masterclass in immersive sim design, conspiracy-driven storytelling, and open-ended gameplay. Its dark, blocky textures and shadowy environments weren't flaws, they were part of its charm with massive maps, hub areas, and layered systems to shine. Even decades later, secrets and stories are still left to be uncovered, and it can easily outshine many modern titles in depth and replayability. It felt kinda unnecessary when Aspyr tried to modernize it. Deus Ex is still tempting in its original form, whether on PC with keyboard and mouse, or via the Game of the Year edition. And for players craving upgraded visuals, the prequels, Human Revolution and Mankind Divided already deliver stunning cyberpunk worlds and multiple paths without losing that immersive magic. So we're left thinking if we really need a remaster, or is it time for a brand new Deus Ex? Something that builds on Human Revolution, explores alternate timelines from Invisible War, or boldly pushes the series into uncharted territory. Will you settle for a remaster, or are you ready for the next evolution of Deus Ex? Let us know in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Another month, another shakeup for Xbox Game Pass, and September 2025 is already delivering some big emotions. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. We're finally getting blockbuster day one launches like Hollow Knight Silksong, but alongside the hype comes the bittersweet goodbye to a few beloved titles. On September 15th, 3 fan favorites will roll out of the catalog. All You Need Is Help, Wargrove 2, and We Love Katamari Re-Roll and Royal Reverie. For anyone who hasn't tried them yet, now is the time to dive in or grab them permanently with a 20% discount available to Game Pass members before they leave, because each game brings something special. Wargrove 2 is the ultimate throwback for strategy fans, marrying Fire Emblem-style tactics with its own charming rock-paper-scissors combat system and distinct pixel art personality. Then there's All You Need Is Help, a quirky co-op puzzler that thrives on chaotic teamwork. If you've got a friend on the couch, it's one of the most underrated split-screen gems on the service. Finally, We Love Katamari Re-Roll and Royal Reverie is pure joy in motion, a remastered, polished version of the PS2 called Classic Sequel, where rolling up the world never gets old. This rolling out perfectly illustrates what makes Game Pass so fascinating and controversial in 2025. Players get day one access to massive titles like Clair Obscur Expedition 33, Blueprints, and Doom The Dark Ages. For now though, Xbox Game Pass continues to be a playground of discovery where every month feels both like a celebration and a farewell party. The only question is, what will you play before the clock runs out? Let us know in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Gamescom 2025 has officially begun, and this year's event is full of exciting news. From blockbuster trailers to hardware unveilings, the gaming world is buzzing, and we're only just getting started. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Let's take a quick dive into 5 of the biggest reveals so far that have lit up the event. Number 1 is Xbox handhelds. After years of anticipation, Microsoft has officially announced release dates for its first Xbox handhelds. The Rogue Xbox Ally and Rogue Xbox Ally X are coming on October 16th. The higher-end Ally X rocks a Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme chip, 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage, while the base model still impresses with a Ryzen Z2A and 16GB RAM. We're so excited for this one. Next is LEGO Batman Returns. TT Games is bringing back LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The reveal trailer wowed fans by blending comic book lore with references to the Nolan films, Arkham games, and even the Batman. This new open-world Gotham looks darker, more detailed, and more ambitious than ever. Oh, and Matt Berry as Bane? Instant gold. On number 3, we have Hollow Knight Silksong. It's not a drill. Team Cherry finally gave us a solid launch date for Hollow Knight Silksong, which is September 4, 2025. After years of teases and delays, it's finally here. A surprise stream after opening night live showcased new mechanics, a massive world, and a crafting system, with post-launch content already in the works. It's already hitting all major platforms, including the Nintendo Switch 2. On 4, Sony's in-zone lineup. Sony isn't just focused on PlayStations, it's expanding its in-zone gaming gear lineup as well. The new H9 II headset now comes with a detachable mic and lighter build. There's also a sleek KBD H75 mechanical keyboard, a new gaming mouse, and new mouse pads. FPS fans should check out the new in-zone A9 earbuds too. Sony's making sure we change our whole gaming setup. Now let's check out Call of Duty Black Ops 7, which made a dramatic entrance with a trailer that confirms a setting in 2035, picking up after the events of Black Ops 2. This 4-player game has wild global missions and a new twist. The End Game, an open-world finale that changes based on how you played. With big reveals from all corners of the gaming world and more updates still to come, Gamescom's surely been a great event for gamers. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Hey fighters, welcome to GadInsider. Ready to discover the best fighting games to dominate in 2025? From iconic classics to hidden gems, we've got the ultimate list for you. Stick around and let's jump into the action. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Let's go! 2025 is stacked with fighting games that deliver variety, accessibility, and competitive depth. Whether you love tag team battles, cinematic showdowns, or indie stunners like Skullgirls Second Encore, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 8 games you need to play. Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. Is the ultimate king of crossover fighters. With a massive roster of Nintendo icons and third-party stars, it's perfect for casual fun or intense tournaments. Still a Switch staple in 2025. Street Fighter 6 redefines the genre with slick graphics, beginner-friendly mechanics, and constant updates with crossplay. Capcom's legacy shines, making it a must-play for all skill levels. Tekken 8 brings 3D fighting to new heights. The heat system, polished combat, and thriving competitive scene keep the community buzzing. Bandai Namco nailed it. Dragon Ball FighterZ is all about flashy tag team chaos. Its anime-inspired visuals and accessible mechanics make it a 2025 favorite for anime and fighting fans alike. Mortal Kombat 1 delivers brutal action and cinematic flair. Even post-support, it's a bestseller with polished gameplay that keeps players hooked in 2025. For retro fans, Street Fighter 30th Anniversary Collection is a nostalgic gem. Dive into the franchise's roots with iconic titles that shape the genre. Perfect for new and old players. Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3 is a high-octane tag team marvel. Its wild roster and non-stop action bring comic book vibes with serious finesse. A classic that still rocks. The indie darling Skullgirls Second Encore stuns with vibrant art, tight mechanics, and replayable gameplay. It's accessible, deep, and a must-try in 2025. That's the scoop on 2025's best fighting games. Are you maining Tekken 8, smashing an Ultimate, or vibing with Skullgirls? Share your pick in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.